Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and my name is Dipti. In this video, we are going to talk about how to not to speak in broken English all the time. So, when we are in the stage of learning English, it's going to be very obvious, it's going to be genuine that our English is not going to be well structured and we tend to speak in broken English all the time. So I want you to tell that it's not going to be something that you have to take stress about if you are someone who is in the initial days of learning. But eventually we have got to fix this problem, and how to fix it, that is what we are going to talk about in today's video. Before I tell you guys anything, I just want to appreciate all the people who have gathered that courage to speak out no matter what. See, initially when you know that your English is not well structured and you're not a good speaker, even then you are trying, that takes a lot of courage, because you already know speaking is important to get better into it, and still you keep speaking. That is really appreciable. You deserve this appreciation. Now, coming to the point, how to fix this problem. Suppose I want to say that I go to market, and instead of saying that, I say I go market. So you are forgetting the word to over here, which is very common mistakes. So first thing is, you are able to make somebody understand. This is really good. And what you are not sure about is your basics. Your basics are not clear. So what you have to fix, you have to work with your basics. What happens is, we want to speak English fluently in the initial stage, and it is totally impossible, and you speak in hurry. That's why you end up making these type of errors. So the best way to crack this problem is work on your basics right in the beginning. Once you are certain about the basics, rest of the things are going to be pretty much easier for you. So first step is to follow is work on your basics and try to get a grip of all the basic words, and you can express yourself very well and in organized manner. Second is listening. See, listening plays an important role throughout this learning and speaking journey. See, if you are someone who is not habitual of listening English, then I urge you to do that. Just 30 minutes in a day, I urge you to do that. And yes, every single day you have to do that. Now, why listening? Because when you listen, you are going to get aware about basic words, grammar, pronunciation, and whatnot. Everything is going to get polished by this single habit of yours. You are going to aware about what to use, where, and the problem is going to come down gradually. And that brings me to the next point, which is observation. Observe everything, whatever you are watching, how to speak, where to take pause, speaking style, and so on, and sentence construction and whatnot. Next point is learn from your mistakes. See, do not degrade yourself for making any mistakes. Instead, consider it as an opportunity to learn something new. Next point is don't procrastinate. See, when you make mistakes, right then go and find the right answer and try to learn from it. Again, I'm repeating the word. Don't worry, don't stress. At least you are showing up, and that courage to speaking out. And if you are doing it consistently, believe me, your English is going to be very, very much better, and you are going to get surprised by it. So that's it. I hope you really liked this video, and if you did, then please hit the like button and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon as well. Bye bye. See ya.